Hi, my name is Jordan, and I am the training specialist here at ButterflyMX. And in today's video, we are going to walk through how to register for ButterflyMX as a tenant. Now, as a tenant, when you move into a building that is using the ButterflyMX system, the first step for you is receiving the registration email from ButterflyMX. Now, if you have not received this email, you need to get in touch with your building management so they can resend the email to you, or you can reach out to our support team at support@butterflymx.com, and we too can resend you the registration email as well. Now, again, it's going to start here with the email. In the email is where to set up the account, you're just going to click here. But also in the email, scrolling down, what you'll find here is a tenant registration guide. So by clicking on the link there, this is going to provide you a guide that will also walk you through the registration process and give you some details on other features the ButterflyMX system has. So again, to set up the account, you're just going to click here on Set Up an Account, and it's going to bring you to the ButterflyMX Create Password. So this here is where you will create the password for your ButterflyMX account. You will then need to confirm the password. Make sure that you check off, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and submit. Now here, this is the last part of the registration, and this is the ButterflyMX new user registration. Now the contact preference is going to be an important part for you as a tenant, as this is asking you, how do you want to be reached when a guest calls you from the ButterflyMX panel? Now, there's going to be two options to choose from. The first option you see here is mobile app. Now, if you choose this option, when you receive a call from the panel, you're going to receive a notification from the ButterflyMX app that you have downloaded to your device. When you open up that notification, it is going to open up into a video call. So as a tenant, right off the bat, you are going to be able to actually see who that is calling you from the ButterflyMX panel. You'll then have the ability to turn on the camera, and at that time, you will be initiating a FaceTime conversation between yourself and that guest. And from there, you'll see an open door button. By clicking on that button there within the app, that will release the door for your guest. The next option is going to be phone call. If you choose this option, when you receive a call from the panel, you're going to receive a regular phone call to your device. After answering that call, you can hear the guest and your guest can hear you. But from there, you will need to always dial 9 to release the door for your guest. From here, you're able to put in a backup phone number. So if you do choose mobile app, if you miss the mobile app call, it will roll over into a regular phone call. And from there, once it's rolled over to that regular phone call, you will need to dial 9 to release the door. So after you have chosen your contact preference, you need to click Submit. At this point in time, you are now a registered ButterflyMX user. So from here, you need to be going to your app store and downloading the ButterflyMX app to your device. From there, you'll log in with your email and the password you created during the registration. And now you'll have access through the ButterflyMX mobile app. You're also able to log into your ButterflyMX account from a desktop. And from here, and just like your app, you'll be able to review messages left, door release events. You can set up a directory message that will be displayed on the panel directory. You can create virtual keys. In the account page, this is where you can update the contact preference. So if you want to go back later and change from phone call to mobile app, you can change that here. It's also where you can change your notification settings. So if you want to receive email notifications and SMS notifications, you can also do that here. Just make sure that any changes that you're making that you save. Also in the account page, if you are a building that is using door release pins, this is where you will find the 4-digit pin that was created for you. You can also edit this pin. And if you need to change your password, you'll need to put in the current password here, the news password, and confirm that password and change it. And that is how you register for ButterflyMX. Thank you.